Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I was invited today at 2025 Beijing International Dual-Use Advanced Technology and Equipment Expo, held from September 18th to 20 at the Beijing Exhibition Center. This year's theme is applying technology for peace, safeguarding peace through technology. Over the next few minutes, I'll take you through some of the most innovative and surprising exhibits here. Let's dive in. First stop, the UAV Pavilion. Here, unmanned aerial vehicles take center stage. From fixed-wing drones designed for long-distance surveillance to quadcopters used in urban environments, the diversity is impressive. These drones aren't just for military applications, they're increasingly used in agriculture, environmental monitoring, and disaster response. They are also used for a wide range of military operations. Take this model, for instance. It's equipped with thermal imaging and AI-powered obstacle avoidance, making it ideal for search and rescue missions in challenging terrains. With the proliferation of UAVs, securing airspace has become paramount. This section focuses on counter-drone technologies. Companies like DG and Broad-M have showcased systems that were instrumental during China's Victory Day military parade, preventing unauthorized drones from entering restricted zones. From radio frequency jammers to laser-based interceptors, these technologies are designed to detect, track, and neutralize rogue drones, ensuring the safety of sensitive areas. Behind every advanced system lies cutting-edge electronics. Here we see components like high-precision sensors, semiconductors, and communication modules. These are the unsung heroes that power everything from autonomous vehicles to smart surveillance systems. Without these foundational elements, the sophisticated technologies we've seen today wouldn't be possible. Public safety is a top priority, and smart security systems are at the forefront of this effort. From AI-powered surveillance cameras that can detect unusual behavior to crowd-monitoring drones that assist in large events, these technologies are enhancing public safety. These drones can autonomously navigate through crowds, identifying potential threats and alerting authorities in real time. Now, let's see some robots at the 2020 UAE. 25 Beijing International Dual-Use Advanced Technology and Equipment Expo. From autonomous drones on legs to robotic arms that assemble components, this section of the expo is futuristic, hands-on, and full of surprises. Let's check it out. These humanoid robots can guide visitors, answer questions, and even provide basic medical assistance. Notice how they recognize gestures and respond intelligently. It's a mix of AI and robotics working together. Some of these robots are even equipped with facial recognition and speech synthesis to make communication smoother and more natural. Notice how they map their environment in real time and adapt to unexpected obstacles. This is next-level AI integration. Not all innovations are headline-grabbing, but they're equally important. Emergencies can strike at any moment, and being prepared is crucial. This exhibit showcases a field hospital setup complete with mobile medical units, rescue equipment, and emergency response tools. These mobile units can be rapidly deployed to disaster zones, providing immediate medical care and support. One of the more unconventional exhibits here are inflatable decoys. These life-sized replicas of military vehicles and aircraft, like the J-10C fighter jet, are used to deceive adversaries and protect real assets. By deploying these decoys, military forces can mislead enemy reconnaissance, diverting attention from actual positions. Here we have exhibits showcasing robotics, composite materials, and environmental sensors. These technologies are revolutionizing industries like manufacturing, construction, and environmental monitoring. As I conclude my visit to the 2025 Beijing International Dual-Use Advanced Technology and Equipment Expo, it's evident that the line between civilian and military technology is increasingly blurred. Innovations in UAVs, counter-drone systems, smart security, and emergency response are not only enhancing national security, but also improving public safety and quality of life. These technologies are a testament to human ingenuity and the drive to create a safer, more connected world. If you're interested in more in-depth coverage of any of these exhibits or have questions about the technology showcased, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe.